Hey guys, assalamualaikum. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and we are back with another video. Alright guys, today we made a potato cannon, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, this potato cannon, how we made this thing. So we used two bicycle wheels, and then we used a cap, a 4-inch pipe, a connector and a 2-inch pipe. And for decoration, this is. So we have a lighter and we have use as a fuel perfume. So what do you guys think? It will work or not? So let's find out. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. By the way guys, this experiment could be dangerous, so please don't try.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Right guys, as you guys can see, we didn't use this yet, this potato cannon. So now we are going to test this potato cannon. So we are going to use this paper only for test. We are not going to use any potato or any cannonball, just paper. So let's see.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Guys, it was just a test.
So alright guys, we're going to prank Zihan. He's very busy right now. Let's see. Zihan! No. Alright guys, Zihan, we pranked you, got you. So how are you feeling?
I don't have any water. I need to go to toilet.
Alright guys, now we are going to test this potato cannon real test. We are going to use this perfume can as a cannonball. Okay, let's see. OP guys! OP guys! Totally OP! I never thought it will work. Oh my god guys. Going to use this potato. Now we are going to use this potato as a cannonball. So Faisal. And now we are going to use potato and potato cannon. Guys, let's see
how far the potato has gone.
Aggie.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Now let's see the multiple shot.
Another try. Let's try. Ready? Let's try. So alright guys, this is the video and we try enough. So this is the video. Hope you guys liked it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. So this is Lot of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So,